Dear friends, welcome to the next problem of gears, that is problem number 4. The data of the problem is like two meshing spur gears with 20-degree pressure angle have a module of 4 millimeter. The center distance is 220 millimeter and the number of teeth on the pinion is 40. To what value should the center distance be increased so that the pressure angle is increased to 22 degree? Friends, let us first of all prepare a diagram for given initial condition. Here pinion is shown with A as center and gear is shown with B as center. The dotted line circles represent the pitch circles of the gears and the full line circles represent the base circles of the gears. As per kinematics, the line of action or pressure line is always passed from pitch point and tangent to both the base circles. So, the angle made by the line of action with the common tangent tt is equal to angle TPF is equal to phi, that is pressure angle. And as this radius AE is normal to EF pressure line, so the angle PAE will also equal to phi, as well as the base radius BF is normal to this pressure line EF, so the angle FPFBP will also equal to pressure angle phi. Here it has been given phi is equal to 20 degree, module is 4 mm, center distance, that is distance from B to A denoted by C, is equal to 220 mm. New pressure angle is to be increased 22 degree. At that time we have to find out what is the increase in center distance, that is the new center distance C dash. Now here we can write from this diagram that BP is this distance is the pitch circle radius of gear. PA, it is this PA is the pitch circle radius of pinion. BF is this base circle radius of gear, and AE, it is this, that is the base circle radius of pinion. Now from right angle triangle BFP, we can write that cos phi is equal to BF upon BP. That is, cos phi is equal to BF upon BP. And hence, we can write BF is equal to BP into cos phi. Let us say relation 1. Now, from the right angle triangle AEP, it is here, right angle triangle AEP. So, we can say cos phi is equal to AE upon PA. That is, cos phi is equal to AE upon PA. Hence, the rearranging the terms, we find AE is equal to PA into cos phi. Let us say this is relation 2. Now, how there will be change in diagram with change in center distance? Let us draw it. Now friends, here the red line diagram represents the original condition and the blue line diagrams, that is the new situation, that is with the change in center distance. We keep pinion center as it is A, and the center of a gear is shifted from B to B dash, so the center distance becomes B dash A, that is denoted by C dash. So because of shifting of the centers, the position of the pitch circle of the gear, that is dotted line with blue ink, and the base circle of the gear, that is full line circle, will be shifted, and hence according to kinematics the line of action or pressure line will be always pass from pitch point, which will be shifted from P to P dash and tangent to the base circle, and that will be at point F dash and point E dash respectively on the gear and on the pinion. So the new pressure angle will be equal to, as shown in figure, this T dash, P dash, E dash, that is equal to phi dash, and hence from the geometry we can write the angle F dash, B dash, P dash is equal to phi dash, and angle E dash, A, P dash is equal to phi dash. Now from the diagram we can say B dash F dash, that is this distance, will is equal to nothing but base circle radius of gear, and that will be equal to BF, that is B dash F dash is equal to BF. Similarly AE dash, that is base circle radius of pinion, this, and it will be equal to AE, that is base circle of radius, this. New pressure angle is phi dash, and the new center distance is B dash to A. Now new center distance can be written as C dash is equal to B dash A, can be written into two parts, that is B dash to P dash plus P dash to A, that is B dash A is equal to B dash P dash plus P dash A. Let us say this is relation number 3. Now from the right angle triangle B dash F dash P dash, here B dash F dash P dash, we can write that cos phi dash is equal to B dash F dash upon B dash P dash, that is here cos phi dash is equal to B dash F dash upon B dash P dash. So rearranging the terms, we found B dash P dash is equal to B dash F dash upon cos phi dash, and B dash F dash is nothing but base circle radius of gear, that is equal to BF. So B dash P dash is equal to BF upon cos phi dash. Similarly, from right angle triangle A E dash P dash, it is this A E dash P dash, we can write cos phi dash is equal to A E dash upon P dash A. Here cos phi dash is equal to A E dash upon A P dash. So rearranging the terms, P dash A is equal to A E dash upon cos phi dash, and that is equal to AE upon cos phi dash, as AE dash is equal to AE is equal to base circle radius of pinion. So, substituting these values in relation 3, the new center distance will be C dash is equal to B dash P dash plus P dash A, and that can be written as C dash is equal to BF upon cos phi dash plus AE upon cos phi dash. Now, substituting the values of BF and AE from relation 1 and 2, we can write that new distance C dash is equal to BP into cos phi, that is BF, upon cos phi dash plus PA into cos phi, that is AE, upon cos phi dash. Rearranging the terms, we found is equal to cos phi upon cos phi dash into BP plus PA, and BP plus PA is nothing but BA, and that is original center distance. So we can write is equal to cos phi upon cos phi dash into C. So substituting the values of the parameters, new center distance C dash is equal to cos 20 degree upon cos 22 degree multiplied by original center distance 2 to 0. And on calculation, we found C dash is equal to 222.96 millimeter. So we can conclude that the new center distance between the gears is 222.96 millimeter. Thank you, friends.